Hello and welcome. If you're looking for ways to make passive income or start a new side hustle, then you're in the right place. My name's Philip from Daily Art Hub, and today we're going to talk about how to create stickers using a Cricut cutting machine. Everything we talk about today should be able to be applied to any cutting machine. However, I personally own a Cricut Maker 3, and I can only attest to that machine. However, lots of details here are just concepts and also some hype to help you get motivated to begin producing and selling stickers. Before we get into all that, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications icon so that you can be notified when we release new videos. It helps YouTube to know that you're enjoying these videos and gets me better rankings in the search results. Also, it lets me know someone out there is enjoying these videos and gives me confidence and drive to keep creating them. Did you know that all graphics at dailyarthub.com automatically come with an SVG file format included? What this means is that all of our graphics will automatically work and be able to be loaded into cutting machines. I recently just purchased my first Cricut cutting machine and decided to go with what seemed to be the most versatile of them all, the Cricut Maker 3. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn any graphics into stickers that you can make and sell to earn a passive income or start a side hustle. When my wife and I first started selling on Etsy over 13 years ago, we started our very first Etsy shop selling 1-inch buttons. The buttons were low profit margin, but my wife and I, after some time, learned to package and bundle things and monetize our inventory, where at first it was paying just our phone bill, and then eventually it covered our entire rent each month. If something seems like a low return at first glance, don't immediately discredit the money-making opportunities it can have. Bundling products is the best way to increase sales. So instead of just selling one sticker, sell them in packs of 20 and charge more. Or maybe even do something creative like a monthly sticker club and generate a recurring profit each month. Stickers are so easy to make and very low cost to make. It's easy to make a very good profit, especially if you can get high volume sales. Also, another thing I love about stickers is how easy they are to mail, not to mention how fun they are to make, and if you have kids, stickers are a big hit. If you're anything like me, I'm sure somewhere in your memories of childhood, you have some fond memories of stickers in one way or another. I used to love to buy sticker books and collect what was called panini sticker books that combined trading cards and sticker books and generally focused on toy and movie brandings like He-Man, Barbie, Disney movies, or whatnot. And who's to say you couldn't make a sticker book just like these with the right passion and ambition? Let me also make sure to add in that I'm brand new to Cricut, so I'm not an expert, but that's perfect because my channel is more about trying to inspire you to make passive income channels rather than trying to be the expert source. So please, take what I say in my video, let it convince you to try this, and then go out and seek more videos from others to strengthen your skills. Let's head over to the computer and show you how I use my Cricut Maker 3 and the supplied software that comes with it called Cricut Design Space to make a couple different sticker types. Okay, so here we are over at the computer. First, let's head over to dailyarthub.com and find some art to use for our stickers. Of course, as you hopefully know, dailyarthub.com is the best place to find art for things like print on demand, crafting, and even cutting files. We have a fantastic deal where you can get every graphic on our massive website and pay only one time. Plus, it includes every graphic we release in the future. And we release new graphics every day, and we've done so for over 10 years now. So there's tons to find here. Not to mention, it automatically includes a very liberal license that lets you make and sell your digital products. So even though today we'll be using PNG files in our cutting software, all the graphics at dailyarthub.com also come in SVG, which is the native file type for cutting machines, and give you lots of options to fully cut graphics by separating each layer. The possibilities are nearly endless for what you can create stickers out of, and you could browse our website and get so many ideas. However, I have pre-picked out a set of graphics that I'm going to work with today. So let's do a search for the files I've chosen, which is a collection of cactus graphics. In the search, let's just type in cactus. And here in the results, I'm going to go with this one here titled Cactus Sticker Collection Clip Art Set. Let's click on it, and then let's go here and click download to download it to my computer. The first type of sticker I'm going to make is a die cut sticker. Die cut stickers are cut all the way around the border of the sticker and are great for passing out individually. To make a die cut sticker, let's first go into Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go to New Design. Then I'm going to click Upload over here on the left. Then I'm going to click on Upload Image here. Then Browse. And then I'm going to navigate to where I downloaded the Cactus graphics on my computer and then go into the PNG folder and choose the first graphic. On this screen, I'm going to click on Complex and click Continue. Here I'm going to click on Apply and Continue and then choose Print and Cut Image and click Upload. Now I'm at the screen that shows all my current uploaded images. Now click on the newly imported graphic and click Add to Canvas. Now let's resize it because it's entirely too huge. I'm going to size it to about 3 inches for a single die cut sticker. You can see the indicator changing as I drag the graphic. If you want a more precise sizing, you can also type in this size here at the top in the toolbar. Be sure to click on this lock to keep the proportions correct. Now we're going to create a bit of an offset around our sticker. This will be the white space around the outside of the sticker and will also ensure that a tiny bit of our sticker graphic is not cut into during cutting if the cutting machine is not super precise. Let's select our graphic and then go to Offset in the top menu. The default offset is a little larger than I would like, so I'm going to bring it down just a bit with the slider. As you can see now, I have an outline indicating where the actual offset will take place. Once I click Apply, it shows this area in black. I'm going to change it to white by clicking the color selector here at the top and choosing white. Before we send it to cut, we need to do one more thing in Design Space. Over here on the right, we have our graphics layer and also our offset layer. By holding Shift, we're going to select both layers so that they are both highlighted, and then down at the bottom, click Flatten. Now let's click Make It. Choose your material size. I'm using a standard sticker sheet, so I'm going to stick with 8.5 by 11 inches size and then click Continue. And then here, I'm going to load my sticker paper in my printer and hit Send to Printer and then Print in this dialog box. Now I have my printed sticker page. At this point is where you will determine if you're going to get a kiss cut sticker or a die cut sticker. In a die cut sticker, the machine needs to cut both the backing material and the sticker, as opposed to a kiss cut where the cut would go through the sticker but not the backing. So then for a die cut sticker, we need to cut with heavy pressure. I like to use the setting for a medium cardstock, as this will cut all the way through both the sticker layer and the backing. Let's choose medium cardstock now. And then load our sticker into our cutting machine. The Cricut machine is now cutting our sticker out, leaving a space around the white area that we chose for our offset. Once the sticker is done cutting and we remove it from the machine, we can see here that the cutting machine cut through both the sticker layer and the backing, giving us a die cut style sticker. Wouldn't it be fun to give these out or even sell them in an Etsy shop? You can do this with the art from Daily Art Hub, no problem, and no additional licenses to buy. Let's move on to show you how to make a kiss cut sticker. Let's start back here at our upload screen, and we'll use the same graphic as we did with the die cut sticker. Let's click on the image and click Add to Canvas. Here we are going to want to size it down again, and I once again will take it down to about 3 inches high. And just like last time, we'll add our offset and then size down the offset a bit. This is your choice on how large you want your offset. I like mine just a bit smaller than the default. And then change the color of the offset to white by clicking on Color Selections here in the toolbar at the top and choosing white. Over on the right, hold down Shift and select both layers, and at the bottom, choose Flatten. You'll see so far this entire process is the same as when we made a die cut sticker. Let's continue and click Make It. Here, let's click Continue, and we'll print our image first by clicking Send to Printer. As a side note, you may want to tick the box here that says Use System dialog box. What this is going to do is going to bring up the printer settings so that you can choose the best options if your print quality needs adjustment. I'm going to skip this for now and click Print. You can see here as it's printing, I use one of the Epson EcoTank printers for my prints. Once the print is done, we will add the paper to our mat and head back into Cricut Design Canvas. This is the point where we choose if we end up with a die cut or a kiss cut style sticker. As stated at this time, we're currently making a kiss cut sticker. In a kiss cut sticker, we want to only cut the sticker and not the backing, so we need a very light cut to only get into the sticker layer. I like to make a custom cut called Kiss Cut to ensure the blade pressure is very low. To do this, click here on Browse All Materials. And then down here at the very bottom, click on Material Settings. You can see here in this window, you can see the cut pressure for all material types. I find it easy to just create a new one for this. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this huge list of materials. Once you make it to the bottom, choose Add New Material. For the new material name, I'm going to enter Kiss Cut Sticker Page and then click Save. Now that the new material is added, there's going to be a slide bar where you can choose the cut pressure. I want to keep this very low, so I'm going to slide it to about 90 because I want a very light cut. This may be different depending on the sticker paper you purchased, so test out what works best for your sticker paper. Finally, click Save and the new material is added to the list. Close this dialog box with the X at the top and then click Browse All Materials. Now if we do a search for the word Kiss, we'll see our new material setting we just added. Let's click the star here to add it as a favorite, and then click the material, and then at the bottom, let's go to Done. Now we're going to cut using our new setting. Put the mat in the machine, hit your load and play button on your Cricut, and the machine will now cut a Kiss Cut sticker. As you can see here, once the cutting is complete, the sticker layer of the sheet has been cut, but the backing has not. A Kiss Cut is generally used to make a sticker sheet where you want to offer multiple stickers on one page. I think these look wonderful, and I hope you followed along and get inspired to make your own stickers using your cutting machine. I wanted to mention that not all sticker papers are created equal. I first started with a standard sticker paper, and then I moved on to a more durable vinyl sticker that's somewhat weatherproof. However, the vinyl is great and seems to withstand moisture, but it's not fully rated for outdoor use because it doesn't include a UV coating. There are ways to beef up the protection from the sun, fading your stickers by either using a different paper or even by adding a clear protective UV layer over the sticker. These are a bunch of choices you'll want to make prior to selling or creating stickers and what your intended use for the stickers will be. One day in the future, I'll make a video comparing all the different types of sticker paper that I've used, and also I'll let you know which paper I found to have the best print quality and durability. Okay, I want to thank you for watching this video today, and if you have any questions or ideas for more videos, or even just want to say hello, please do so in the comments. I would love to hear from you, and I try to respond to every comment. And until next time, remember that you can do this, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.